for you to have a reminder, okay? Let's go ahead and continue, okay? So what is it that we are going to do? Look, remember, when we talk about the numbers with 0, we finish with Y as in Yankee, right? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Repeat with me, everybody. You see that all of the quantities that have 0, they finish with the letter Y, as in Yankee, yes? 20, repeat with me.
20,
20,
30,
30,
30,
40,
40,
40,
50,
50,
60,
60,
70,
70,
80,
80,
90.
90,
90.
But now, don't get confused with these quantities, guys. I will come back to this part. I will go back to this part. For example, these quantities, they finish with double E. I apologize, guys, sorry. They finish with double E and N,
10,
yeah? And the pronunciation is going to be 13. Yes,
13,
your emphasis is in the E-E-N, 13.
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
10,
16,
16,
17,
17,
18,
18,
19,
19,
and then 20, right? We already know
20.
that the quantities with 0, we finish with Y. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60,
60,
70,
70,
80, 90. Yes.
90,
80.
That, guys, careful with that. That is the difference. And it is very, very, very similar, right? Because if I say 30, and then I say, here I have, sorry. If I say 30, and here I have 13, you see? 13. But these guys, remember that finish with N, E-E-N, right? 13. If I say 40, the pronunciation of this is almost similar, and that is the reason that your emphasis is in E-E-N.
14. 14.
Yes. If I say 50, I know that it is 50. But if I say 15, it is 15, right? 15. Yes. I am writing only the E-E-N for you, E-E-N, sorry, for you to emphasize, okay? For you to emphasize. Adrian?
I had a question.
Hmm?
I see 50 is correct. 15.
Oh, okay. I will write it down for you. For example, 13. Yes.
Yeah. I what you said 55.
Oh, yeah. We are going to work in that right now. That is the reason I am. Give me like 3 minutes, and we will work in that. Yes.
Okay.
Don't worry. Yeah, we will work in those quantities right now. But right now, just try to remember the difference of the pronunciation. Yes. 60. And this one?
60.
No, this is not 60.
16,
60.
Yeah. 16, right? What about this?
70.
70. And what about this?
17.
17, yeah? Remember, emphasize the E-E-N, yes? 17. 80.
80.
18,
Very good, 18. And 90?
90. 19.
19, yes? That is the very difference. That is what it is going to help you speak with clarity, yes? For example, it is not the same when you say, for example, when you say the years, right? When I ask you for the years, 19, for example, 87. if you say 1987, you're not saying this year. You are saying 1987. But if you say 1987, you are saying this year. Yes. Look at the difference. Listen to the difference. 1987. 1987. It is different, right? Very different. But at the same time, it sounds similar, right? So you have to be careful. That is the reason that I am asking you, emphasize the EEN when you use the numbers 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Emphasize EEN. David?
Teacher, when I want to say the years, I can say
years. The pronunciation is years, not years. Years.
Oh, years. I can say the please a little down. Okay, this 1887. Yes.
Yes.
So
when you say when you talk about
9.
the years, remember that you split. Yes, it is complete. You split in the middle. So in this case, you separate. Split means separate. Yes, you
Okay.
split. Yes. So in this case, if you are talking about the years, you can say 1987. That is the reason that I'm giving you the example. If you say 1987, you are saying a different number. Yeah, a complete number that it is not a year, right? Because we are in the year 2022. This is like the future, thousands of years ahead, right? So this is the future, so it is not correct. Yes. But if you say 1987, people will understand, oh, 1987. So for example, this, what is the year? Can you tell me the year?
1856.
No. 1856, no.
1856.
No, what is the pronunciation?
5
50.
55.
Now tell me what is this year?
86.
Okay.
What is this year?
1856.
1856. Yes, Franklin?
1856.
That is correct. That is the reason you have to learn this. It is really important for you. They are little numbers, but at the same time, they are important numbers. Yes, very important numbers, because if you don't speak correctly, no one is going to understand what you are saying. Yes, please. So please careful with this. If you see in the real life, it is only 20 numbers to learn. You see, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Actually, 9 numbers that you have to learn. And then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers that you have to memorize the pronunciation. Yes, that is not difficult. Yeah, so careful with this. The pronunciation 56. Let me see if now you understand. What year is this? What is this year?
50, 45. 50, 45.
Sorry. Can you repeat?
1540.
1540.
That's
40,
better.
1545.
That's better. 15. Somebody said 50, and I was almost though. Come on, I'm going to punch you. Yeah. No, it is 15. Remember, 1545. That is the way that you are going to be able to communicate the numbers, but it has to be very, it has to be a work between you, your pronunciation, and that you have to practice. But now, guys, the thing about this is that we are going to start learning about, sorry. The thing about this is that we are going to start learning about the spelling. We have to learn how to write the numbers. So when you see 2-digit numbers, this is your question, Adrian. For example, this one, you already know that it is 40, right? 40. But then how to read this? 40,
Five.
and then you write a hyphen. 45. Yes. But always when you see two numbers together, you have to write the hyphen. This is the hyphen, guys. Yes. Hyphen. Okay. So what about this? What is the spelling of this?
90.
90.
19.
But what is the
19.
spelling of 90?
90.
What is the
90.
spelling? Spelling. How do you spell?
N for November, I for India, M for November, I for Echo,
E. E for echo.
E for Echo,
Uh-huh.
T for Tango,
T
Y
for tango.
for Y for Yankee,
Okay, let's stop there. Now, hyphen. You see? Hyphen,
Hyphen.
90, and then 92. Yes? Do you understand? Do you have a question?
No.
No? Let me see.
I understand, teacher. Thanks.
Oh, yes? Easy?
Yeah.
Easy
Yeah.
peasy? Yeah, okay.
Easy.
So now, yeah, Franklin?
18. 18.
18? Are you
Perfect.
sure 18?
18. For echo.
Yeah, but wait, the pronunciation is 18? Is that the pronunciation? It is a
18.
question.
18.
18.
80,
80. Remember,
80,
because if you
80.
say 18,
I'm sorry.
you are saying
I'm sorry.
this, 18. If you say
I'm
18,
sorry.
you are saying this number. But you have to say 80. 80.
80.
Remember?
80.
80. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
80.
How do you spell 80?
80. Echo. ¿Sí?
E for echo. Uh-huh.
Echo. 18.
18. You all are telling me 80. You are telling me 80. Come on, come on.
I'm sorry.
80, 80, 80. No N. 80. Uh-huh. What is the spelling? How do you spell? How do you spell 80?
LR.
Use the military alphabet, guys. Can somebody help Franklin?
I, G, H, T,
For echo,
I.
But use the military alphabet. Use the military alphabet.
E for echo,
But Benjamin, try. Tell me, Benjamin. You have to try because you have to learn.
I
That
don't
is
remember
your
military
job.
alpha is the I, G, H, T, Y, F, O.
But tell me, and people, you complete Benjamin. Okay, tell me, Benjamin, what letter?
I,
I for what, guys?
India.
For India.
H, but Y, G,
G for what?
H,
G the golf.
G for golf.
H,
H for what, guys?
Hotel.
Hotel.
Thank you.
T,
T or D?
T.
D. D for Delta or T for Tango?
T, Tango,
T for
T
Tango.
tango.
Y,
for Yankee.
Y. So it is 80. Very good.
No.
Y as in Yankee. Now,
Y.
what do I need?
Underscore.
Name.
Hyphen. Because
Hyphen,
the
sorry.
underscore is this.
Hyphen.
Oh.
Hyphen.
Hyphen.
80.
F,
F for Foxtrot,
Oxa.
F for Foxtrot.
O,
O for Oscar,
U.
for uniform,
R,
R for Romeo.
R.
R for Romeo. 84. Yeah. 84. 84. Yes. 84. So that is the way you have to write it down. Yes. So for example, 11, well, you don't worry. 11 is like this. Easy, right? No more because it is 11. 73. So it would be 70 hyphen. We only say 73, right? But when we write, we know that we have to use the hyphen. Yes.
72.
Hyphen for two numbers only, for two numbers. Yes. I want you to remember only for two numbers, the two when we use before 100. Now, guys, I already did this. Your job is to complete this, but don't worry. We will continue practicing right now because you are going to do the rest. So now this is the other way around. This is write the numbers. So right now you have the spelling, and what you have to do is to write the number in digits, yes? So for example, 47. 47, yes? And if you see, it has a hyphen, yes? Remember the hyphen. For example, in this case, it says 51.
5-1.
No Spanish, no Spanish.
Okay.
Come on, Franklin.
5-1.
5-1. 5-1. 5-1. 51.
I'm sorry.
Yes. No problem. Spanish, Franklin. Yeah, Spanish. Okay. I mean, not Spanish, guys. English, Franklin. Yeah. For example, in this 23.
2,
So,
3.
3.
2, 3. Very good, Gary. Very good, Franklin. 2, 3. Yeah. And let's go down. Now, in this, guys, you have to use your maths. Yes. This is an addition in English. The symbol is plus, okay?
Plus.
So 25 plus 56, and this is equals. Yeah. This symbol, I will write it down, don't worry. The first symbol, it is plus, yes? Is this plus, yes? And the second symbol, it is equals, equals to. That is the expression. And the symbol is this. Yes? So that way you know. Yeah? Plus, so it is 25 plus 56, it is equals to 81. So you have to do the addition, guys. So you have to do the addition. For example, how much it is 54 plus 30? What is the result?
84.
84. So you have to spell it. For example, 80. No. This is not for the computer. This is for, okay, now 84. So you have to 80
hyphen 4.
Yes. And when you finish, guys, you press finish, you press check my answer, and what I want to see is the score, right? In my case, it is not correct right now because our first, well, this is correct, guys, so don't worry, it is correct. 84, 92, it is correct. So it is probably the computer, but this is correct. 45, 42, probably is because of the symbol. I am using dash instead of hyphen, yes, but I don't know how to do a dash in my computer, so it is a hyphen, but it is correct. In reality, this is correct. This is the way we read it. And for you to check, for example, in this case, 56, you see the 56. 89, 89, you see, right? So whenever you use two numbers, 89, 56, or 23, you have to use the hyphen, 23. So go ahead, guys, in your platform, yeah, and today is Friday, May the 13th, 2022. You will see the first option. This option is the worksheet that we are going to work. Yes, this one. So go ahead, guys. Go ahead. I will give you for this 7 minutes. In 7 minutes, I will stop. Franklin? Okay, Franklin, you have to I'm so sorry that I have to speak. I'm so sorry that I have to speak Spanish a little moment, pero esto es muy importante. Chicos, la plataforma es su tarea. Ustedes tienen que saber entrar a la plataforma Franklin porque ahí es donde van a entregar su tarea. Entonces, Franklin, pues de tarea son 50 puntos de tarea. No, perdón, 5 por 10. Sí, son 50 puntos de tareas, Franklin. Entonces, hoy entregan la primera tarea. Entonces, Franklin tiene que ver cómo entrar. Si gusta, después de la clase de hoy, me hace una videollamada y yo le apoyo. Si no, le voy a dar el número también del especialista en tecnología para que usted pueda entrar, porque si no son 50 puntos de tarea y no me las puede enviar por WhatsApp. Tiene que ser en su plataforma. Entonces, con cuidado con eso. Le voy a mandar el número del especialista de tecnología. Quiero que se comunique con él y le pregunte cómo entrar. Si al final del día no ha podido, entonces platicamos. Pero primero, el especialista de tecnología, ¿ok? Le voy a mandar el número ahorita porque ahí va a estar su tarea y tiene que realizarla. ¿Está bien?
I'm sorry.
No, no hay problema. Es solo para... ¿Perdón?
Thank you,
Sí,
teacher.
es solo porque ahí hay 50 puntos en la plataforma. Entonces, pilas, ¿ok? So let's continue. I will, in the meantime, I will send the link in the WhatsApp group so that way you can work Franklin, ¿ok?
Okay.
Guys, sorry. I will give you 5 minutes and try to do as much as you can. Yes? Try to work fast. And when the 5 minutes stops, when the 5 minutes stop, guys, I will proceed with the feedback and we will continue because this is a really, like, not big topic, but we have to go ahead. Yes? So I will give you 5 minutes.
I cannot find it.
The link is in WhatsApp. Well, I will share my screen so you can see, but mostly you can find it in WhatsApp, also in WhatsApp. But look, give me a second. Okay, first of all, in your platform, it says Friday the 5th, right? I mean, Friday, May the 13th. Is in big numbers, it is the first one. Learn how to and practice the following worksheets, it says. So it is the first one, the first link. If you are not able to find it, then you have WhatsApp. In the WhatsApp group, it is. But it has to be there in your platform. Yes? Yes, it is in Friday. Did you find it, Byron?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, guys, don't worry. Right now, stop and press finish and press check my answers, and I want to see your scores. Send me the screenshot, okay? Don't worry. Right now, stop, okay? Stop and send me only the ones that you were able to complete, okay? Don't worry. Stop, everybody. Stop and send me the screenshots right now, okay?
Teacher, the same screenshot for WhatsApp?
Yeah, in the WhatsApp group, everybody send the screenshot as fast as possible. Don't worry, teacher, I don't finish. I didn't finish. No, don't worry. Just press finish and it doesn't matter, okay? But send your screenshots and let me see.
40.
Very good, guys, very good. Only, for example, what I'm checking in you, Eduardo, the hyphen. You have to use the hyphen. Even though the exercise is not asking for the hyphen, you have to use the hyphen, Eduardo. Let me explain to you, okay? And send your screenshots and I will explain some screenshots, okay? Send me the screenshots as fast as possible, guys, okay? Thank you. Thank you. No, Allison, in Book Now, that is an advertisement. You have to go down in the paper for you to have the results. No, don't worry, Allison, don't worry. It happens, no problem. Okay. Okay, so I want to talk a little bit about this image. Let me show it to you. Okay. Guys, if you see in the exercise, it is good, right? But what is the rule that I just mentioned? What is the rule to write the numbers?
I need to hyphen.
The hyphen, guys, the hyphen. In the exercise, probably this is correct, but the rule is that you have to write the hyphen, okay? It is good, congratulations. Just remember that the hyphen is very important, okay?
Teacher,
Uh-huh,
can you review my, please?
yours, okay. Right now it is not for reviewing, but I will do it. So just people, just be, you know, like right now it's not for reviewing, but I will do by Byron's, right? Is it Byron?
Yes.
Let me see. Yeah. And this is what I wanted to show you as well. For example, this is Byron's, okay? This is good, so don't worry, it is good. The only thing this 40, you are putting H. Right now, it doesn't have H. Remember the spelling, it is not H. You don't see H, yes? No H as in hotel, yes? So it is incorrect. Yeah, careful with the spelling, yes? It is not H, yes? And you are using H, 90. It is a good spelling, but you have to take off the H, avoid the H later, okay? Yeah, so careful with that. For example, this 67, it is correct. No H, that is good, that is the way. Yeah, so guys, what I want you to express in here is that the hyphen, you have to use it when you speak about two numbers, okay? So now guys, I will share my screen for a moment. Not my screen, but my whiteboard, okay? And okay, so here I have some information. Now we are going to talk about the numbers when you use beyond 100, guys, okay? I will talk about the numbers beyond 100. For example, now we see that when we use 100, guys, we see this. For example, 100, okay? So now, teacher, how do I write 101, 102? Then guys, when you repeat the numbers, for example, 101, I will use another one. Give me a moment to give you the example. 105. I will give you another example. 120. 123. Yes. Okay, I will give you this example. For example, here we have 101. You will use 101 or 101. You can say both ways. 105, 120, 123. If you realize, you just have to say 100 and then you repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. So the way you write down these numbers, guys, is this. For example, sorry, guys. I don't know how to delete this. Oh, here you go. Yeah. So the way you are going to write down these numbers is about this. For example, 101, for example. Yes. 101. Yes. For example, in this case, 105. And in this case, 120. 123. Okay, guys, I want you to see this example. Yeah, the way you are going to write it down is that you use 100. For example, 101, you are going to use this N1. 105, for example, 120, 120. But now when we are using two numbers, you see, 123. Yes, you have to use the hyphen in the 23. For example, if you see the number, okay, this number, guys, what is this number?
545.
500.
Sorry? Very good. 545. So the way you are going to write this number is this. The way that 545. Give me a moment just to fix it because I don't think you are seeing that, but I will check on you. Yeah. 545. I am using the hyphen in the 45. Yes. 545. Yes. Do you have a question so far? Question? No. No questions?
No.
No? Do you understand more or less?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So now we get to the best part. Yes. Let's go ahead and I will present to you this. I will give you some quantities, guys. For example, I will write down your cell phone, guys, your cell phone. Okay, guys, here I have 4 quantities. Can you tell me the quantities?
$700.
Huh? What else, Cristobal? 700, but this is not 700 only. What is the quantity?
$744.
And can you repeat, Gabby? Sorry.
754.
That is correct. 754. That is correct. Thank you. So the way I write it down is this. 754. You see, this is the way I write it down. 754. Now, can somebody tell me this quantity? The next one.
80, I think 125.
Okay, can you repeat the quantity? Can you repeat the quantity, David?
8,
Uh-huh.
800
Huh?
and 25.
25. Uh-huh. Very good. Now see these guys. 825. You see? And what is this quantity?
987.
987. I truly apologize for this inconvenience, guys. Give me a moment. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay, 987. Thank you. And what about this one?
432.
Very good. 432. Now, guys, Did you understand? Do you have a question? Do you need another example? No more examples? No? Well, I will just write down 2 more examples because I want you to learn, okay? Yes, David Garzón?
Teacher, this is the similar than 1 billion, yes?
Not yet, not yet. Right now, we are not in 1 billion. Calm down. Okay, David? Calm down. Billion is a lot. Right now, no billion, but we are going to get there right now in a moment, in 5 minutes, okay? Good. Okay, guys. Now I just have a curiosity. Can you tell me this quantity? What is this quantity?
It's only 100.
This one, 2000. Why 2000? What is this quantity, guys? Follow the rules. Keep it simple. As I just studied. What is the quantity?
$700.
500 and what?
503.
That is correct. Easy. 503. Yes. If you can tell me these numbers, this is easy. 503. And what about this one, guys?
706.
That is correct. 706. Why? Because it is 706. Yes. Don't get confused. It is simple. Yes. Do you understand? Let me see. Franklin. Let me see. Franklin already participated. Let me see. Benjamin Hill. What is this quantity? I will give you more quantities.
Teacher, I don't see your screen.
Oh, I will share it right now. Sorry. You see the screen or you don't see the numbers?
The numbers.
The number. Oh, yeah. Wait for me for the numbers a little moment, okay? Okay.
Teacher, I can.
Can you see? Yes. First, What is this quantity, Byron?
80, 800.
No, this one.
80.
This one. Sorry. This one. Can you see this? This one, guy. This quantity. This.
Teacher, I don't see the screen or number.
Yes, teacher, I don't see.
Oh, that is the reason I thought, wow, it is difficult. Okay.
Sí,
What happened?
Teacher, I
What
can
happened?
It's crazy.
Yeah,
can
don't worry, don't worry. Let me see if you can see it right now.
I
Wow.
can see.
No? Okay, sorry.
Yes, I can.
Let me use another one. Sorry, guys. It is very, I mean, I like that whiteboard, but it is really difficult. I will put another one. So now you can see the
Okay.
numbers, right?
I can see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks,
Yeah,
teacher.
I will ask
Thanks.
different quantities right now.
Teacher,
Okay.
you're very amazing for we answers our answers.
Now I can ask for the answers. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, first of all, Brian, tell me the first sentence, the first number, sorry.
Okay. 908.
908, very good. 908. And the way you are going to write it down is this one, right? 908. Yeah, simple. What about this one, Byron?
807.
807. Yeah, simple. What about this one, Adrian?
611. 611.
Okay. 611. And what about this one? Let's see who wants to participate. Allison.
708.
Excellent. 708. Very good. And what about this one, Gilberto?
213.
13. That is correct. 13. Yeah, you see? Not difficult, guys. Not difficult. And just remember, the last reminder, guys, is that, for example, if you have this quantity, when you write this quantity, you have to use hyphen, right? What is the quantity, guys? Can somebody tell me?
I can.
Yeah?
400 and 50 hyphen 3.
Very good. 50. We don't have to say the hyphen. Yes, only 53. But remember to add the hyphen in when you write it down. Okay.
Okay.
That is the only thing. Yeah. So you don't have any questions right now, right? Everything is fine. Everything is correct. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I hope so, because this is not the important part of the topic. The important part of the topic is the next one, guys. Okay. Now we are going to go to the important part, which is how to read big numbers. Okay. This is a really big number, but don't worry. It is not difficult. Okay. What is the secret? Let me tell you. I want you right now only to read the quantities, but separated, okay? I want you to separate, no. Let's do something. For example, when you see this comma, yes? Instead of calling comma, you will call it 1,000, yes? This, you will call it this way, 1,000, when you see this comma. And when you see this comma, you will call it million. Yeah, instead of call it comma, you will call it million. Yes. And for the quantities, guys, it is the way we were doing it. For example, what is this quantity? Only the 3 numbers. What is this quantity? Only these 3 numbers. Sorry, only these 3.
123.
Okay, so now we say 123 million. And then what is this quantity?
456,000.
And then
789.
very good. Yes, that is the secret, guys. That to the first comma, we call it 1,000. And to the second comma, we call it million. So I will put one number here. This is the first comma, guys. Remember, this is the first comma, and this is the second comma, okay? Yes, it is not complicated. instead of, you have to read the quantities as we just learned, 123, 456, 789. And what is the secret? That when you see the first comma, you will call it 1,000. And when you see the second comma, you will call it million. Okay? Yes? Yes, do you understand?
Yes, yes. Close.
Let's do a little exercise right now. I will give you 3 quantities right now, okay? The first quantity is this. The second quantity is this. The third quantity is this. And the fourth quantity is this. The fifth quantity is this. And the last quantity, guys, is this. Let me give you a difficult one.
$3 trillion.
No, we are not checking billion right now. Only 1,000 and million. Yes, 1,000 and million. So don't go. Only we see 2 commas. 1 comma is 1,000 and 1 comma is million, no billion, right? 1 comma is 1 comma is million. Okay, so okay. The first quantity,
1,000
uh-huh.
456.
That is correct. 1,000 because it is 1, and this is the first comma. 1,000, the comma is 1,000. 1,456. Very good, Gabby. Okay. Who wants to tell me the second quantity?
20,000.
21. Repeat. No, stop. Don't tell me blah, 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 blah. No. Analyze the quantity first. Analyze for 5 seconds. Analyze the quantity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tell me the quantity.
21,876.
Very good, guys. Very good. Let's continue with the third quantity. What is this?
I can.
Yes, you can.
3,000.
No. Wait. Repeat.
3,000. 31. And 987.
No. Guys, remember that we have to read the quantities as we just learned. First, what we have to read, guys?
3,000.
No. We are not saying 1,000 right now. What we have to read, guys?
300.
21
and 21.
Correct. And then we read the comma.
1,000. 90, 100, and 87.
Very good. Just the only thing, it is not 90. It is 987. Remember that you have to read the quantity.
Can
Teacher,
you write, please?
Can you what?
And you?
Sorry, what is the question?
40, 4.
No. 40? No. Stop. Analyze. Analyze.
4.
Okay.
Four
First we
houses.
have 4.
4 houses.
No. This is the second comma.
4 million.
4
4
million.
million.
Okay. 4 million.
Now you have to read
Pretty-
only this quantity.
50.
No. Again.
1500. Perfect.
500.
And
500. 60.
Mhm.
6. And
Now you read the
900.
first comma.
900.
No. Read the second comma. The first comma, sorry. This is the first comma.
Houses.
1,000. And then read this quantity.
80, 80, 90,
Mm-mm.
900,
900.
900. I'm sorry, 900,
87.
87.
Very good, Franklin. Very good. But you right? But you have to analyze. Analyze. If you are not sure, think. Okay, what? You have to read part by part. Yes, step by step. And now, what about this one? The second one. Who wants to read it? Cristobal, go ahead. Read this one.
4 millions.
It is not 3, 4. How do you read this?
3.
No. 3, 4, no. 3, 4, no.
34.
34.
34.
Okay.
See?
Oh,
It is 34.
34 millions.
Million.
80
Million.
million.
Only million.
80, 100, 7,
800, no. 8.
800, 77.
Very good.
700.
No. Comma. What is this comma?
100. No, 1,000.
1,000.
201.
Very good. Very good. Now let's say it completely, Cristobal, again. Can you repeat this quantity?
Okay. 34. 34 millions. 870.
77.
7,700.
No, 100.
No, 70,000. And 201.
Very good. That is correct. 34,877,201. Yes. And the last quantity, guys.
700. 60 millions. Billion.
60 what?
65 million.
Okay. Repeat.
765 million. 900 and 999,000. 80. No, 8. Sorry. 876.
Very good, guys. Congratulations to all of the class, guys. Congratulations. Very good work. Okay. So the last example, guys, and I will not bother you anymore. The last example, the last exercise, guys. I will write this. Then I will write this. Sorry. I will write this, for example. No, let's try another one. I will write this. No, I will write this one. This looks a little bit better. I will write this. I will write and the last one. Okay. Help me, guys. It's easy. I will tell you the secret before you get confused. When you see the zeros in this case, you don't say anything, right? For example, 1,000 and then the zeros, you don't say anything. 1,000. Yes? 1, the 1,000, and for these zeros, nothing. Yeah? What about this?
I can.
Yes? Uh-huh.
31,000.
Uh-huh. And the zeros, you silence. Yes, because it doesn't represent any quantity, right? What about this one?
502,000.
Uh-huh. And that's it, 500,000. That is it, 500,000. Why? Because this is 500, this is 1,000, and the zeros, nothing. Yes? What about this one?
7 million,
7 million?
700,000.
Mm-hmm. 1,000. And nothing. Right. What about this one?
Okay, 22.
22, are you sure?
22 housing.
32.
32 housing.
No, not 1,000.
2
A million.
2 million.
Million.
Mm-hmm.
100 and 102
Mm-hmm.
1,000.
1,000.
Uh-huh.
1.
That's it. And this last one, guys, this is the last one.
101 million.
Mm-hmm.
101,000.
Mm-hmm.
101.
Very good, guys. Shh. Wait a moment. Let me see if I can do it. Very good, class. Very good. It is simple. It is just a matter to practice. I know it is a lot of topics. I know, but you know, it is very simple, right? So let me just 1 second to do this. Let me see if it works. Let me see if it works. Very good, guys. I really appreciate that you are doing your best to learn. So what I'm going to do is the following. I hope that you can hear. Very good, guys. And this is for you. Big applause for you guys. Okay, so go to have your break, guys. We come back at 10 and 15 minutes. Okay, see you in a moment.
Thank you, teacher.
Good, guys. Good. See you in a moment.